Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, the last video I did a few days ago, I was talking about overcoming fears and doubts. And I mentioned the psycho-cybernetic mechanism, which we have. It's like a inner thermostat that wants to pull us back to our comfortable spot. So I want to expand on something I mentioned, which was giving yourself little challenges every day. So one of the ways to overcome your fear and your doubt, so you actually take action despite, is to keep stepping outside your comfort zone, to keep challenging yourself. Now, physical challenges, as I'm sure many of you know, are always the most fantastic way to challenge yourself. When you're pushing your body, you're overcoming your own limitations, and you're often opening up new possibilities. You feel great because you've achieved something. Yet there are other ways to help you step out of your comfort zone and to ensure that you don't live totally by your habitual habits. And it can be as simple as small challenges every day, and it can be as small as deciding to clean your teeth with your other hand. So if you clean your teeth with your right hand, clean your teeth with your left hand. It may sound ridiculous and very small, but by doing this, you're breaking the habit of your normal pattern of how you clean your teeth. So what this does is you open up new neurological connections and pathways, and you're almost challenging yourself to see and do things differently. Even your routine that you do in your work or your life at home, you could change. So for instance, I was telling a client the other day, well, you always say you get up every morning and you do the same thing. You have a shower, you make a cup of coffee, you do A, B, and C. So I said, challenge yourself and do something else first. Break the routine. So think where you could change what you do throughout your day, just so that you're keeping yourself aware and changing what you normally do, because we run most of our day by habit, which means we're running on autopilot. Other things you can do, you could challenge yourself to do a crossword, a Sudoku, to read a chapter of a book and summarize it, to draw, to learn something new, to play a new tune on your piano if you're playing the piano. It's simply doing things different. It also, what it will do, it will send your body some serotonin and some happy chemicals, because when you do different things, you feel you've achieved something. And if you celebrate the small changes that you've done, your brain will send you a shot of serotonin, which will make you feel good, and it will give you fuel for continuing to look at new ways and new things of doing, new ways of doing things. Lastly, when you challenge yourself every day to do small things differently, it opens your mind to look at the other opportunities and possibilities that it might be missing. Because if you live in your comfort zone the entire time, you will only see what you're comfortable with and what is apparent to you in that comfort zone. And there's a world of possibilities and change out there. So I hope that's helpful. Another really simple methodology and tip for you to build your, insulate yourself, to build up different ways of doing things, break out of your comfort zone and start to do things that might not be so normal and natural. And that will help you take the next step when you have a bigger challenge that you want to do, when you do feel a little fear or doubt. So that's my tip for today. Have a great weekend. If you've got any comments, I'd love if you could put them below. What do you do to challenge yourself? Keep out of your comfort zone, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get my regular videos, then you can do that on the link below. Thank you.